In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom GPT for your business using Chatgpt. Custom GPTs allow you to build your own AI assistant trained around your business needs, workflows, products, support questions, or content style without needing to code anything. This can be incredibly useful for customer support, lead generation, team training, content creation, and automating repetitive tasks inside your business. First, open your web browser and go to ChatGPT. Log into your account using a plan that supports custom GPTs, such as ChatGPT Plus, Team, or Enterprise. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the left side menu and click on Explore GPTs. Inside the GPT section, click the Create button to begin building your own custom GPT. ChatGPT will open the GPT Builder interface, where you can customize how your AI assistant behaves, responds, and interacts with users. The first thing you'll do is define the purpose of your GPT. In the Instructions section, explain exactly what the AI should help with. For example, you can create a customer support assistant, marketing assistant, sales chatbot, coaching assistant, or internal business tool. The more specific your instructions are, the better the GPT will perform. Next, customize the tone and behavior of your GPT. You can tell it how to speak, what style to use, what topics to avoid, and how detailed the responses should be. Many businesses train their GPTs to match their brand voice so responses stay consistent across customer interactions. You can also upload files and business documents to give the GPT additional context. This may include FAQs, product information, training manuals, policies, pricing sheets, or support documents. Once uploaded, the GPT can use this information to answer questions more accurately. Another powerful feature is adding capabilities and actions. Depending on your setup, you may be able to enable tools like web browsing, file analysis, image generation, or integrations with third-party services to make the GPT even more useful for your business workflows. After configuring everything, test your GPT using the Preview chat window. Ask questions, simulate customer conversations, and review the responses carefully. If needed, adjust the instructions and settings until the AI behaves exactly the way you want. Once you're happy with the results, click Save or Publish. You can choose whether the GPT remains private, shared with your team, or publicly accessible through the GPT store, depending on your business goals. Custom GPTs can save a huge amount of time by automating repetitive communication, helping customers instantly, generating content faster, and improving productivity across your business operations. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a custom GPT for your business on ChatGPT.